Emulation score, so we're empty board rating again. The OG score is 61,600. This is gonna be my last score, and then I'm gonna rate over to someone else. So let's give it our best shot. I don't know what all these things mean, but we're just gonna go ahead with it. Okay, so I need 61K600. Bomberman looking, yes. Yeah. It's Dynablaster, Atomic Punk, whatever you're gonna call it. I'm gonna skip the... Okay. It's just a one wide. That sucks. I need power-ups, come on. Give me some game. No power-ups? There we go. Thank you. Second bomb would also be a nice one. What is that though? Never seen that blue pad. What? What is this bullshit? We take it. But we kept our upgrades, which is cool. Okay, there again we got this fucking spawner. If we had a second bomb, it would be so much easier to take care of the spawner. How hard can it be? I just want upgrades, come on. Oh, I thought we killed the guy now as well. That would have been bad. This is fun for playing Amiga. I think I played it on the DOS version, so I mean, Bomberman is always great, Bren, right? But I would love to play it with more people, not gonna lie. Of course. More like Boomerman. Just because you're a young one, Leo, you just don't get it. It's okay. You're still a kid. Kids don't get that, do they? But it's okay. It's alright. But I'm happy you're still watching, because normally you would be now already playing Dota, right? Oh, it's the exit, okay. But you can nuke the exit to get some more points in, it seems. Interesting. So this helps us. Yeah. No Dota for you. Elia. This guy. Oh, fun, eh? You know what? I'm just gonna go for it. It's a deadly call, but it's worth it because they just give good amounts of points. See that? They give good amounts of points. go. Mad fam. Stay there. So here's the trick. 1, 2. Let's wait what we got. Nothing. Then let's do this 1, 2. Nothing. Fair. This 1, 2. Get out of the way. Nothing. Fair. This 1, 2. Roasted to crisp. Fair. Still playing Fall Guys? And why doesn't it surprise me? So, we're gonna take the risky path here, and... So, come on, boys. You sure you all give a delicious sum of points? Yeah, they do. Movement speed, we take it. Oh, it blocks it, but now we released more. It's just more points we can get. We just gotta the right point of view on it. Oh, there we go. That was the sweet points brigade. Perfect. And we already cracked the OG score. Let's go on. We're still empty board rating, but even if we do, let's do it properly. He really wanted to move out that moment, huh? So... Look at that. Alright. Oh, there we go. That was a massive brain hiccup. Okay, so if you boys want to group up there... Oh, come on. Of course, the moment it gets hot, they're like, nah, we're good. Hey, what's up with this one here? Hello. Let's check real quick here. Here. Oh. I can detonate them whenever I want now. That's what's up. Was stupid. Oh, I'm an idiot. Talking about that was stupid. Talking about that was stupid. I was just having way too much fun placing them and detonating them myself, and now I'm back to the fucking basic setup. What happened to my bomb now? We're gonna see. Okay. You think that's fucking funny, yeah? That was nothing. That was for naught. You both? Yeah. Thank you. Maybe we gotta find the exit somewhere now, huh? And again, there's so many opportunities up here. I should work on these first, huh? Ah, there we go. Let me tell you something. I'm feeling confident right now. Now I gotta kill them. And they're not really cooperating in terms of movement and light. It was stupid of me again. So, let's see. Oh, come on. Fucking kidding me. So, bruh. One. I'll outrun you. See? You were stepping up for nothing. So, there we go. So, come on. One. And a two. There you go. We're free to go, right? No? Yeah? Oh. That was a weird movement glitch, but we take it. We get the 100k straight, so that's fine. Never-ending loop. We're almost done here. You're just waiting for me to raid someone. You're like, oh, I want to see who he raids. It's gonna be the highlight of the stream. Imagine raiding Dota 2 stream. Leo hasn't streamed for ages again, this guy, right? He had such a good streak and then he was like, fuck me, nah, I'm done. Not streaming anymore. Catch my drift, yeah. Your whole life is at the moment fucked with only having Dota 2 in the Leo. Saying my sleep schedule. Oh, my sleep schedule is the problem. It's a problem only playing one game. And that... for that reason, like... religiously. I didn't want that level up, I just wanted to enter a run. I really have to go that much farther. Okay, see, we gotta find the exit, right? Oh, we found it. There we go. Bye. Don't blame Dota, my princess. This guy. The big cat. Oh! I'm getting so unfocused already. Losing my focus, boys. What? Why are you going this way now? Why is it going this way now? Oh, it makes no sense. Fucking Batman. Just does it. No, whatever it was cool, and I destroyed it. Nah. What? Whoa, and I didn't look. Okay, it's over. 117,100. That's okay. 117,100. Me, 117,100. Okay. Put it on my list. And goes up here. There we go. End. Is it letting me enter my... Okay, now it's no scoreboard game. Alright.